Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we update guys font style in Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to update guys your Samsung phone with font style, but how can you update it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we update guys Samsung phone with font style. So we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting we will search here guys font style. So I search here guys font style guys. As you can see guys, this font style setting we will tap here, and then scroll it. Friends, you can see font style setting I will tap here to update. So as you can update, and guys you want to download any font, so as you can download after connect Wi-Fi network, and guys you have your mobile data guys, so you can on it. So friends, you can see guys, I have got this three font style for default Samsung one and this bold. So I will update it to get the Samsung one style. Friends, you can see guys, this font style will update. We have got this new font style. So like that guys, you can update guys your font style in your Samsung phone device. So bye guys.